Hello guys, this is David from Drive Clean Tile Automobile. We are from Portugal. So today we are showing you how to remove this airbag from a Kia Optima from 2017-2018. Why are we making this video? We have to repair the steering wheel, and we have searched YouTube to see how to remove the airbag. So we have found a lot of results, but none of them to remove the steering wheel with the shift pads. Okay, so we are showing you how to remove this and all the steps and all the tools that you have to use. First of all, a quick explanation of the process. We have to remove this, and on the normal airbags you will have 3 holes, 2 on the sides, 1 below. But because of the shift pads, you don't have the side holes. Okay, so what are we going to do? First of all, we will remove this upper part from the column. Okay, it's easy. You put a screwdriver and pull up and it will come out. You will have to put a screwdriver on the down part of the steering wheel. On the sides, I'm going to show you. We already removed the steering wheel, so it's easy for us to show. Normally, you would have a hole here on the part of the shift pad. Okay, because of this, we will have to remove from this hole and this hole here. Okay, the tools that are needed: a normal screwdriver. Okay, the process: you will have to be with the ignition turned on. So the easiest way, you turn the steering wheel on the side. Okay, and you will have access from this part here to this hole. You just put the screwdriver here and twist. Okay, then you turn it to the other side and twist. The final part, you just put the screwdriver down here. You don't have to twist, you just have to press the metal part and it will come off. Okay, again, on the normal cars that don't have the shift pads, you can access by here. You will have 1 hole on this part here and on this part here. This process is just for the shift pads model. Okay, hope that we help you, and see you.